Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on Tech Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you through how to delete your Rumble account. So if you do not want your Rumble account or you have a lot of a Rumble account and you want to delete your account, then do not worry guys, you are in absolutely right place. Today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to delete a Rumble account. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now in order to delete a Rumble account, first of all go ahead and tap on Rumble application. So since Rumble application is not available in my area, I'm gonna go to Google and then search for Rumble and then tap on search. Now go to the first option that says Rumble. Now you can tap on the little profile icon which is in the top right corner. Now tap on second last option that says account options. Now scroll all the way down and at the end you can see close Rumble account. So it says you can close your Rumble account at any time. This will make all your Rumble content unavailable to you and to other people. So make sure you read all of that and then tap on close your account. Now it asks on close your Rumble account. This will make all Rumble content including videos, comments, subscriptions and reactions unavailable to you and to other people. So if you want to change your mind, tap on I've changed my mind. But today in this video we are doing to delete Rumble account. So go ahead and tap on proceed to next step. Now it asks for our confirmation. It says we will send you an email with a one-time link to finish closing your account. So are you sure you want to continue? So yes, we are sure. So go ahead and tap on yes. Now it says we have sent you an email with one-time link to finish your closing account. So let's go and check on email. Here you can see the email. Now tap on close my account. Tap on Chrome. Now tap close and then tap on next. Tap on close my account. Tap on yes. That's it guys, your Rumble account has been closed. So this is how we can easily close our Rumble account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.